If you are looking for a new cordless drilling driller for your next home project, look no further than the Bennu. Bennu, super happy, make all dreams come possible. Happy communist child labor joy for all. Noxious factory, make great tool for possible. Bennu cordless power drill from manufactured in Taizhou, Zhejiang Province, China. You will not miss your mentioned popular drill company here. Power when you use the Bennu cordless, you will flip for this beautiful orange like the color of fruit orange drilling hole. Driller drill holes in your next home project with this beautiful new, not hazardous Bennu cordless power drill for happy manufacturing, made possible by small child labor, free to force endless possibilities. Just look at how this Bennu cordless power non-corded voltage hole drill for holes makes all things happy. You will not have too much lead, just the right amount of lead used to make this happy product straight to you. Home from happy factory child built for super, make all dreams come true. China happy, noxious drill, chemical child labor, make happy fun, cordless drill for all, make joy. China, Bennu. Look at this man, he is not happy. He does not have the Bennu super cordless power. By battery, cordless drilling hole driller for holes. You can drill holes with this product. You can attach screw and screwing lag. Bolt screws with this product with ease. You can even add attachment piece sold separately to use this product for stir soup. Dogs, cats, it don't care. Both make super happy for good health, for make nourishment long time. Just look at how happy this man is. He has belly full of rice and one or more kind of super delicious animals that fat lazy Americans think is for make house companion pet China. China, 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 it's all from China.